If you own a Sony Alpha camera, including models like the A7, A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, or A7 V, and want to adjust the color space, this guide will help. Choosing the right color space, such as sRGB or Adobe RGB, can affect how colors are captured and displayed, making it crucial for photographers who want precise color management for prints or digital screens. Step 1. Access the camera menu. Press the menu button to open the settings menu. Scroll through the menu tabs and go to the Quality/Image Size 2 section. Look for an option labeled Color Space. Highlight the color space setting and press OK or Enter using the control wheel or joystick. Choose one of the following options. sRGB, best for general use and online content as it is widely compatible. Adobe RGB, ideal for professional use, offering a wider color gamut for printing and advanced editing. After selecting the desired color space, press OK or the center button on the control wheel to confirm. Exit the menu. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the color space on your Sony Alpha camera, ensuring your photos are optimized for your intended workflow. Let me know if you found this guide helpful or if you have any further questions.